Right, banna ha re yeng metseng. Ha re yeng metseng re bone na re qala jwang ka ntho tsa term 3. Right, banna nka dimeng textbook ya lona ya metse kae? E kae textbook ya metse ntate? Tlole yona ntate. Ke bona jwale o jaifa mane ka jwang. Ke batla textbook ya metse se mmanyuwa. Jwa fatshe ntate. Re tlo shebana le area and perimeter. Grade 8 mathematics. Re tlo shebana le area and perimeter of the triangles. Right. The first triangle that we will look at is a square. To shebana le square. And what is important about a square? You must know that a square is a four-sided figure that has all sides equal. Come on, Zomango, who and a side ye, elegant at the side, elegant at the side. All those sides are equal. So, meaning if on the one side lay 1, we'll take it 10 centimeter. You know that this will be 10, this will be 10, and this will also be 10. Okay? And then a question, normal questions that are asked pertaining to a square, ke taba tsa perimeter le taba tsa area. Questions related kapa frequently asked. Now the questions that are related or that are frequently asked ka square, ke number 1, they will ask for perimeter. Somebody obata o kampela ntlo and then heng baro wena maybe o kampela ka pele fela o fuwa some information, detailed, clear, descriptive problem that one will be able to analyze. We can calculate the perimeter. For example, we're going to look at simple problems that revolves around that. They can ask you to calculate the perimeter, which is the sum of all the sides of that four-sided figure. And then secondly, they can ask you to calculate the area, which is the amount of space that an object will occupy. Again? So come on, for example, if we are given that the side is 10, and we know that the side of a square, if one side is given as 10, all the four sides, because it is a four-sided figure, will have a minimum value of 10. So we can immediately look at the perimeter of this. Suppose this is the square A, B, C, D. So the perimeter of A, B, C, D is given by what now? Sum of all the sides. Side plus side plus side plus side. Again? Equals to. And again, side plus side plus side plus side. 4S. Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, you have 4S. Okay? And then you will just take that 4, you will multiply by S, which is 10 centimeter, and you will get 40 centimeter. So come on, Tomang Rering. How company the side plus the side kaufela or 40 centimeter. That's how you calculate the perimeter of this four-sided figure, which we call a square. I get to Ndate khotso ga hantle mo pa feta right a square is a four-sided figure from which you can calculate its perimeter and the perimeter of that four-sided figure is saying A, B, C, D. Side plus side plus side plus side. Edama side yano kaufela. Okay? Side plus side plus side plus side is 4s. Okay? Je look at x plus x is 2x. X plus x plus x is 3x. Okay? So on a 4s. Okay? Onka that s in the side to loli in Latin. Or fella 4 multiplied by 10 yofa 4. Kapa somebody in kebaiti. And na Kikori 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. What's about 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 40 centimeter. Just that this is the shortest way of achieving the very same thing. Right, so we calculate this perimeter more grade 8 mara, because we are going to deal with exam related problem. I think it will become very clear or and then how do we respond on that. Right, that was the perimeter of this four-sided figure which we call a square. We can maneuver around this and amplify this by calculating the area of the same four-sided figure. Now, calculate the area of this square, where only one side is given, and the side value is 10. Okay? Now, the area of a triangle ABCD, area is always equal to, if it is a square, area electrical side multiplied by side. And the law of exponents, when I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. Side squared. Very, very important things from the exponents. And then when I am here, that side, centimeter, square, yamfa 10 squared, yamfa 100 centimeter squared. Because this side multiply by side, 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, because this side multiply side 10 multiplied by 10, 100. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter. When I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add. So this will be 100 centimeter squared units. How about? Again, that will be the area, the amount of space that an object will occupy. So that is how you calculate the area and the perimeter of this four-sided figure, a square. Right. I can see wa shoota wa kopa kapa kipumune. Now that we have dealt with a square, let us now go and try to deal with a rectangle. Let's area and the perimeter of a rectangle. Right. A rectangle, a rectangle, it's a four-sided figure. A rectangle, but how do you see that this is a rectangle? Right, a rectangle is so. This side is equals to that side, and this side is equal to this side. No, this is just me saying over this is equals to this. Come on, someone distance out to Mona, Yamuna, illegal distance out to Mona, Yamuna, layout to Mona, Kamuna, illegal layout to Mona, Kam. Kiona fell to a ribuan. Okay? And then I cut out to one. Okay, if in a way side yakam, however, this is the length. Which length yaka 10 centimeter. Obviously, I want our side today. Little fit aside.
Cushion PP, but we won't learn enough for the centimeter couple.
Have a fitted the previous question paper that I yet. But no general, but I feel like the basic overview. But the previous question people talk on debut to Ashwa. And how about your China exami? Bariko pants about fun twitchy. Muhumu. Eh, Baconian twitchy na Kapa Baconian twitchy. Exami. You are when calculate the area of this figure. Kita examining, also copa can. Tukaring the moon, my hair, that I look up with a fan twitching.
Ah, you will see.
Can I get a kids? Boom twitching. But when I'm going to calculate whatever.
Emission increase.
Why one? But kids are examining. Mother, we will deal with that.
No, example.
No, we are just looking at the basic of a rectangle and how the sides interconnect with one another. So this is the length. That will be 10, and then you can have the breadth or the width. It's 2 times the length, and this will be 20 centimeter. And then we can say more when. Calculate please for us the perimeter in the area of this 4-sided figure, a rectangle. And then the perimeter is sum of all sides. So na little side lena, little side lana. So ke L plus L. Because na L kamuno na L kamu. Ona B kamuno na B kamu. Plus B plus B. L plus L, 2L, B plus B, 2B. And then you can take just the values. Length is 10 centimeter. The breadth is 20 centimeter. 2 times 10, 20 centimeter plus 40 centimeter, which is 60 centimeter.
20 way to take
breadth baga ke 20. So mo ke bonang fela B ke kenya 20. Aga eba 2 times 20 ke 40. Le L ya ka ke
10 di centimeter di kopana di 2B di kopanya
le so di B di kopana le di B, di L di kopana le di A. Aga and then in your far this. Actively baga hani. All right. So that was us trying to calculate the perimeter. Now we can even find the area. We can say that the area where it's even that concentrate and that the area in length multiplied by breadth. Kappa breadth multiplied by length. It doesn't matter because remember in multiplication 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So the order does not really matter.
Okay, kinya dikarabo tsa di usual o bolo multiply ka thoko ka po e sentse le answer mo tla
efe ha re qale pele mo a ke re itse L plus L ya ba fa 2L ra B plus B ya re fa 2B ke na le 2 ya ka ke ena ke tlamme ke kenye value ya L a ke L ya ka ke bokae ke 10 ke ya ke na le plus 2 a ke ke na le value ya B ke bokae ke 20 ke a ikenya ke a ke ka re 2 times 10 ya mfa bokae 20 centimeters ka lebala go ngola plus 2 times 20 centimeter ya mfa 40 centimeter jwale ke di-like terms ntho tse
Ha di kopanye
di a tshwana ha ke re 20 plus 40 empa 60
o sontso
ke final answer ya hao ke eng ke perimeter jwalo ka ha le mane re entse jwalo ka that is why ke re ntho tse di batla lo dula fatshe o lo practice because o ka nana wa di understand ba go fumana ga o se le i1 be di o fa mathata jwale area e lekana le length multiplied by the breadth o nka value ya length ke 10 cm
mo re tsa mhlala fela
mona ke the basic fela ya rectangle
lo sa ngo le basic yo a fela o entse mso
mona tlamele o tsebe ha o ne go diagram e so mo to calculate area ka perimeter o sebedisa formula tse right then re tlo nka breadth ba rona ke 20 cm re tlo kala ka 10 multiply by 20 o tlo go 1 multiply by 2 you fe 2 o ngole 0 tsa o tse pedi mara ntwe o ikenya fela calculating o fela 10 times 20 ka o fa 200 centimeter multiply by centimeter ke bokae centimeter squared very important very important that ntwe tsena la di tseba centimeter multiply by centimeter when you multiply numbers of the same basis o ngola centimeter o kata or 1 plus 1 you fa 2
ka mona multiply
area wa multiply highly rectangle le highly square ke yane area or side multiply by side that is why kitse mo lona tsa mo dula mfatshe le practice dintho tse unfortunately go tlo fella mona le lona because of your time le tswa mo kenana ka korapase wa right ntse kana le nakonyana so gana le 5 minutes 7 minutes setseng so this is area and perimeter ke nana re tlo fella mona nna le lona go tla tswella pele o sane re tlo bua ka area le perimeter ya triangle and then from there I think those are the fundamental triangles that you should know. If there's any other thing to be added on top of that, that's exactly what we will do. But for now, this is enough. We dealt with accounting, we dealt with mathematics. Go sit down and then we will meet tomorrow. Isimusa, no sana kilabu icon. Aga kopane la bone, aga kopane la bohlano, re tlo kopana Satereta. Sontaga re kopana.